Father Secretary, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, Mr. Popo and his friend, or he's gone, and the Madam. I think the Lord is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
The Lord is good and God is nature. Wow.
Let me begin with these words. In the first place, I was teaching, or I was a professor in St. Paul's Major Seminary in 2018. I was invited by the parish priest of St. Teresa, Isoke Parish, and we went in 2018. We went to Isoke with the Father Carleto Otto, driving from here and proceeding from there, from Tori to Isoke. So we went and celebrated the Christmas there of 2018. And I had already talked with the nuncio, that then was acting nuncio in a way, Father Marco Kadima. And he told me that this is the first time I'm telling this story. He told me that the Holy Father intends to appoint you this year. I said, let me think. So I traveled to Isoke, Paris. We celebrated Christmas there very well. And so on the 26th, in the afternoon, we traveled from Isoke to Torit. And in Torit, we had no fuel to come to proceed. So we said, let us sleep here in Torit, and then we will go maybe on the 27th or on the 28th. So we waited for someone to offer us again some money in order to fuel our car so that we come to Juba. And we could not come on the 27th. And then on the 28th, we have to come because Monsignor Kadima phoned me that please, last time we talked about this problem, that you need to come so that you come and tell your view or what is your response to the Holy Father invitation, inviting you to become a bishop of Torit Diocese. I told him I am stranded in Torit because of the question of the fuel. We have no money to come. But however, meanwhile, we went to one of our friends there in Torit, who offered us at least 2 gallons of diesel. And so that evening of 27th, we came straight from there, from Torit here. So in the morning of the 29th, so I have to go to the Nuncio in order to hear from Father or Monsignor Kadima. Then he told me that the Holy Father wanted this thing to come out immediately. I said, what is that? I hesitated and I said, no, I cannot accept this. Leave me at least one day at least to think on this problem, this question. And so I was given one day to think, and then he said, of course, you cannot reject when the Holy Father asks you to do something, because he is the apostle, he is St. Peter, you cannot reject it. And so I had no choice. So on the 30th, I have to come to the Nuncio early in the morning And then he hurriedly say, we go and announce this saying in St. Paul's Medicine because it is about you. And so that's why on the 30th of December, there was this announcement that I have been elected as a bishop of Torin Diocese, and that was the beginning. So I immediately after that, I have to plan for my consecration.